Nyinga Ochieng Emmanuel jalokumaro en Elizabeth Otieno bed kode chakruok nyaka giko. Chudo maratamalo adek ewi osach jomondiki ok en gima nyien. En mana ni sani to nyaka chule ka jatend piny Kenya William Ruto wacho ni paro ni mochakore higa ma 2018 kata kamano. Piny owacho mabiro kete tim kata doko ni ji mathoth osegolo pachgi mopogore opogore wi wachni. Kane olose romo mane onywando joket mwandu kod piny owacho mag counties, Ruto nomedo ni paro ni ber kendo biro loso tije ne ji mathoth. Kama e kaka noloso.
Housing is not a new program. We started this housing agenda in 2018. And unfortunately, we didn't get the results we were looking for because we were unable to make some difficult decisions, which we intend to make this time round. And I hope that we can do this together with the private sector. That's why this meeting is very important. This meeting is important because we have the Kenya Association of Manufacturers. We have Pesa in our meetings. We have Kenya National Chamber of Commerce in our meeting. These three organizations have already opposed my plan on housing. And I'm asking myself, good people, yeah? The interventions we are making is so that we can promote manufacturing. How can the Kenya Association of Manufacturers be opposing manufacturing? It doesn't make sense.